Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental aspect of Facebook, tagging someone in your posts. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook and find your post. First things first, open your Facebook app or go to the Facebook website on your browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to the post you want to tag someone in. It could be a status update, a photo, or even a video. Make sure you're looking at the specific post you want to tag someone in. Step 2. Locate the tagging option. Now, pay attention to the post. Depending on the type of post, you'll see either an Add a Tag or Arrow option. This is usually located beneath the post itself, below the text or the media content. Step 3. Start typing the person's name. Click anywhere on the post. Begin typing the name of the person you want to tag. As you type, Facebook will suggest names from your friends list. This is incredibly helpful, as it saves you from typing the entire name. Step 4. Choose the right person. Once you see the correct person's name in the suggestions, click on it to select. This will link their profile to the post, letting others know that they're tagged. You can tag multiple people in a single post by repeating this step. There you have it, folks. Tagging someone on Facebook is a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time.